Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's very real and happening right now. I'm talking about America's secret weapons, the future of military technology. Just recently, a US Air Force B-52 bomber was spotted on Guam with an unusual companion, the AGM-183A Air-Launched Rapid Response Weapon, or ARW. This isn't just any weapon. It's a hypersonic missile designed for rapid conventional strikes. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Despite being recently canceled due to various developmental challenges and failed tests, the ARRW is undergoing its final tests. Why, you might ask? Well, the data from these tests is invaluable. Hypersonic flight exposes missiles to extreme atmospheric conditions, and understanding these can significantly advance our military capabilities. Now, shifting gears, let's talk about laser weapons. Yes, you heard that right, lasers. The US Army tested something called the DEM Charade, a directed energy maneuver short-range air defense system. This technology represents a shift towards more sophisticated and potentially more lethal weaponry on the modern battlefield. What's fascinating here is not just the advancement in technology, but the strategic advantage these weapons could provide. Hypersonic missiles like the ARW can travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5. That's more than 5 times the speed of sound. And laser weapons, they bring a whole new meaning to precision and quick response capabilities in combat situations. But here's a crucial takeaway. Technology like this doesn't just advance military capability, it reshapes the entire landscape of global security and warfare. Each innovation could potentially be a game changer. And as we've seen, even after a project like the ARW is canceled, the pursuit of knowledge continues because the stakes are incredibly high. So what do you think about these developments? Are we moving towards a more secure world, or are these advancements a cause for concern? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this overview intriguing, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into topics that matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.